weird with them, but Dad will.
Because I do get high-index lenses in my glasses, but they're still...
He just looks like Gru, even more, like more character.
It's like that short little lady that's angry.
Oh, I haven't. Oh, yeah.
Finish.
You want to be in vlog, so now you're in vlog. Yeah. You always wanted to be in the vlog, remember?
Yes.
You have to use the one day.
I see.
My skin.
I understand. I
understand.
understand. I have to be the star of the vlog this time.
Yes.
It's
You're
been
one
long time
chance.
coming. It's been long time coming.
Well, you can be in the vlog again when you come to London or in
Finally,
Lebanon.
I probably see my picture in one of the vlogs.
Finally.
Or a good comment.
Finally.
What's that other ID?
You want to be in vlog? It's so nice out. She's mute. Yeah. My skin does look glowy.
I only say important things.
It was a little different back then.
Okay. Oh my God.
Oh, I see. You have to exfoliate it off more. Do you have the polish?
Yeah, but I can't use it yet. It still burns. He's the real mute of the family. Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. Welcome to the vlog. Oh, Nikki, you actually voiced.
I mouthed it.
I know, I'm proud.
Oh, I was like,
Okay, with the other siblings,
Rania. I was like, is she up?
we're saying welcome to the vlog on 3, 2, 1.
What are we saying?
Yeah, blog or vlog?
Vlog.
Oh, I said
3, 2. You did? 3, 2, 1. Welcome to the vlog. It's Sunday. I didn't vlog yesterday because it is hot out. It's so nice. I didn't vlog yesterday because I had clients and I was super tired all day. But we just went to my sister's and chilled. Okay.
Who that?
It's the vlog.
Oh.
That's Ernie. That's my stepfather. We're doing like a little family gathering breakfast before I leave today. I leave at like 11 p.m., which is good. Oh, I'm in the U.S., in case you're new here. But yeah, I'm leaving back to England today, and then that's that. Are you bringing me to the airport? I'll do whatever you want me to do.
Oh, no way.
Yeah,
Vlog.
his lane only goes up to like the edge of the deck. No,
Faji, put the banana down.
he's like so.
Hi guys, earlier was kind of chaos because my family was all here for like a little, my brother came home yesterday. He just finished his, what do you call it, like term in the army? What do you call it? Oh, he's done with the army. He was in the army for like 4 years and he drove up from North Carolina last night. And then today my family all came over, like my aunt, my mom, Nana, Dad, everybody was here. My siblings, my stepsister, everyone came. It was so fun. And it was a sunny, beautiful day. I'm so excited to go back and see Micey. I miss him. But right now I'm just trying to pack up like semi-quickly. I did want to shower before I go, but time is ticking. I don't know if I'm going to have time for that. Also, if you see my face, unless you watched the last vlog, fingernail. I wanted to fix that too, but that's obviously not gonna happen. My face is peeling because I did a chemical peel. And can I just say, like, even though it's peeling, do you see how glowy my skin is becoming? I'm so excited to see the final results. She's gonna look hot. We're gonna pack up now. And then I need a bot on right here. always tell, even if you're not like directly looking at the video, you can tell when I'm outside and it's sunny because I've got an energy about me. I've got a certain something glowing from within. I'm on my way right now to go to, do you know what? I honestly don't even know what it is. I don't know if it's a job interview or if I'm going to like interview to rent a room. Wait, I need to show you that spring is in bloom. Oh my God, things are growing. Listen, I love London. I really do. But London in the sun, she hits different. She hits so different. And I'm so excited for the energy that's going to come with this. So anyways, I'm on my way right now to go see a woman. I'm not sure if she's looking to hire. A recruiter got us in touch, so I really didn't get time to speak to the lady herself. So I'm not totally sure what I'm doing, but I actually just came from another like interview. It's not an interview, kind of, yeah, it is. I mean, obviously someone's only going to rent to me if they like me as a person, right? So I just came from another place to rent a room, and it's kind of everything that I'm looking for. She's going to provide me with the clients. In my opinion, it's an affordable rent price. She seems like a very hard worker. You know, I'm always thinking about the future. You know, I'm thinking about like what we could do, like working together in the future. And I think it's someone that I could see myself working with. Obviously, like we didn't have a ton of time. Like I don't know her personality to a T whatsoever. I don't really know her personality that well at all. All I know is that she seems like a hard worker. She seems like someone whose business I would like to work in. And the place seemed really nice. I'm actually going to get lost. I don't know where I'm going. But the place seemed really nice and promising. And I'm excited. I'm having a good day because it's gorgeous out. And I'm like working on me, you know. I need to go though. I just wanted to like fill you guys in and show you that it's sunny and gorgeous. And I love London. And yeah, wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck. It's Friday daytime and look who's here. It's Friday daytime and Mike called out of work sick because he's a bad employee. He didn't call out sick. Mikey got a day off. Mikey had to work. Mikey? Who's Mikey? He had to work a Friday night and like a Saturday morning a couple weeks ago. So they were kind enough to give him a day off and he chose today. Okay, he chose today, so we're gonna go to, we passed by a flower shop that we wanted to check out, so we're gonna go back there. We passed it like 3 weeks ago or something, and we marked it in our maps, and we wanna go see that again. We bought a new pot for our big monstera. This is our new pot, and then we got this. These are some very, very, very sad hydrangeas. And this was literally dead yesterday, but I watered it and put it in the window and it's like back to life already. And I mostly got the hydrangeas, this one. It looks so sad because it was 50% off. And I was like, even that pot for $11, 11 pounds is really good. So, and then I got home and I was thinking, do you know what? Hydrangeas are actually like really quite resilient. Like they can die in the winter and then they'll just come back in the spring. So I was like, let's just put it outside, see what happens. We're gonna replant this girl, and I think she has to go outside. She's getting a little too big for this space. And then we're gonna try and set up the patio. I don't know if we'll do it today. I think tomorrow's supposed to be a little bit sunnier because it's not really sunny today at all, actually. As long as it's not raining, we can go out there though, right, Micey? The answer is yes. But we're gonna go to that plant shop now, and then I might go back to, we might like stop by that salon that I went to yesterday. I'm gonna go check out the room that I visited one more time in the salon. I just need to like move some stuff around because she was kind of using it as like a storage at the time. It's a very small room, so I need to move some stuff around and make sure that I can comfortably sit there and like swivel my chair around and stuff. So we'll see. So I want to stop by there just to make sure everything is good. But should we go to the plant shop first? Yeah, let's go to the plant shop while it's light. Although the sun doesn't set until like 6:30. But Saturday evening. But I want to show you our plants quickly. We're just bringing them all into the patio right now. We still don't have any furniture out here, but we've got this little chimenea, which I'm excited about. I thought I ordered lights, but I didn't. So we just ordered them. Sounds like farts. These are our plants. Our landlord actually planted all of these to like divide us from the neighbors. And we actually have some herbs. We've got herbs in this one. I'm not sure if those chives are gonna give life at some point, if they need to be a bit warmer, but we've got Thai basil, curry, parsley. What's marjoram? Marjoram.
Looks like a herb, I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, well, thanks for nothing. We just bought this little ivy and we're hoping that it like grows up the wall.
Wait.
And then we have this giant palm tree, which is lovely. Is this called a palm tree?
I don't know.
But it's nice either way. And then we have this new guy. So cute. Stand next to this, Micey, for measure. So we can see. Ah, I just stepped in the glass for sure.
We'll do a monthly measure and see how.
Oh yeah, that'd be cute. We got a nectarine tree. We'll see how well she grows. I really hope that we like actually get some nectarines. We might have to repot this one so she can grow big. This one, I feel like we can leave it for that for now. Actually, to be fair, we probably should get a bigger one so it can grow bigger. And then we have this girl, which we had inside, but she was getting too big, and that's the one we're gonna repot. Finally, we got this because we took that big Monstera out of here, and we're gonna put this. We got a little hanging macrame. I don't know what it's called. I think maybe it's macrame, Mike said. But we need to get a ceramic pot for this. Oh, the bag's hanging from it. We need to get a ceramic pot for this so that we can put the pot, like we can put this one inside the ceramic pot and then we can put it in the macrame or whatever it's called. This is our little plant setup right now in the window. Got some chives over there. I just trimmed the flowers off this hydrangea and I'm praying that comes back to life. If not, it's not that big of a deal. I actually don't know how long to give it to try and come back to life, but if not, we'll just use the pot. And that will be hung up there soon. Cute. Hi guys, sorry for another abrupt ending, but I forgot to close off the vlog. Well, actually, believe it or not, this time I didn't forget. I was trying to decide if I wanted to combine 2 weeks. So I didn't do an intro or a closing for the next vlog either. But we're just gonna cut this one short here. We're in Tenerife right now. And honestly, I just don't want to edit the other one because I just want to get this one out, and I'll get the other one out on Sunday. I'm trying to like redo my vlog schedule, so I mean I'm not helping myself with this one being late, but anyways, I'm rambling. I'm excited. We're in Tenerife. We literally got here so late last night, but that's in another vlog. I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you so much if you made it to the end. I appreciate you a million, and I'll see you soon. Love you. Bye. Not enough to get you famous. Sorry.
Wants to know how many subscribers you have.
No, I have to give them my Instagram.
Okay, what's your Instagram?
What? Bike life.
Oh, I forgot.
Dubai.
Oh, you don't even
Bench boy Maddox.
bench boy.
Water boy.
What do you mean? You never even sit on the bench.
He made a new
It's
Instagram.
just
the
a
irony.
joke.
I'm so good, it's funny.
He said,
We're in a nursing bra.
A mosquito. We gotta get some citronella candles. Right here. Little bastard.